students, today discuss about complex numbers, part 13. Today last topic in this chapter, 4 marks problem, most important. So here show that the points in the organoid plane represented by the complex number 2 plus 7i minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2i 4 minus 3i 7 by 2 of 1 plus I are the vertices of a rhombus. Vertices of a rhombus. Rhombus means adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal, or all sides are equal, but not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Okay. It's a rhombus. Okay. All sides are equal. Length of the sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. Given points A 2 plus 7i means 2 comma 7. B equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2i equals to minus 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay. C means 4 minus 3i is equals to 4 comma minus 3, and D equals to 7 by 2 of 1 plus I. That means 7 by 2 comma 7 by 2. 4 points are given. First find the distance of 2 points. Distance of 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, therefore distance of between the A and B, AB equals to under root of AB x1 y1 x2 y2, x1 y1 x2 y2. Simplify this one. Minus 3 by 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 1 by 2 minus 7 whole square. Okay, under root of, simplify this one, minus 4, 2 to the minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 by 2 whole square plus minus 14 plus 1 minus 13 by 2 whole square. Okay, simplify this one, under root of 49 by 4. Okay, 13 square 169 by 4 under root of 4 LCM 49 169 equal to square root of how much? 200. Okay, so okay na, 169 plus 49 218 by 4, 218 by 4 AB. Okay, here point minus 2 plus 7i means minus 2 plus 7i minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Here minus of minus plus 2. So 2 to the 4 minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, right, simplify this one, 1 by 4. This means under root of 170 by 4. 170 by 4. Next, distance between B and C is BC equals to under root of BC. Okay, BC x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus x1, 4 plus minus plus 3 by 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 minus 3 y1 1 by 2 whole square under root of 2 4 is 8 plus 3 11 by 2 whole square plus minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, under root of 121 by 4 plus 49 by 4. This implies how much? 170 by 4. 170 by 4. And BC. Next, distance between the CD. Distance between the CD. What is that? CD. x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Take the x1 y1. So simplify this one. 7 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus plus 3 whole square. This implies 2 4s are minus 8 plus 7 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 2 3s are 6 plus 7 13 by 2 whole square. Okay, under root of 1 by 4 plus 169 by 4, that implies 170 by 4. Okay, AB, BC, CD, AB, BC, CD and DA. Distance between the D and A. Okay, now take the coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 anyway. Okay, under root of 7 by 2 minus plus 2 whole square. Okay, 7 by 2 minus 7 whole square under root of 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 7 11 by 2 whole square. 2 7s are 14 minus 14 plus 7 minus 7 by 2 whole square under root of 121 by 4 plus 49 by 4. That means 170 by 4. 170 by 4. Now find the value of diagonals. Diagonals means AC. So 4 under root of 4 minus plus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 7 whole square under root of 6 square plus minus 10 square 36 plus 100 under root of 136. AC and BD. What is that? BD. This distance between the BD. Okay, 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 minus plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square under root of 7 plus 3 10 by 2 LCM whole square. Okay, 7 minus 1 6 by 2 whole square under root of 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 square, 2 1s are 2 3s are okay 3 square 25 plus 9 root 34. Okay, hence since AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA and AC not equal to BD, ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, the points P comma Q denotes the complex numbers Z1 comma Z2 in the organ plane. O is origin. If Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z1 bar into Z2 equals to 0, then show that angle POQ equal to 90 degrees. Angle POQ equal to 90 degrees. In the organ plane, O origin, P, Q in the organ plane. Okay, so P of Z1 means x1 comma y1, Z2 means x2 comma y2. PQ denotes the complex number Z1, Z2. Here, listen, let Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1. This implies Z1 bar equals to x1 minus iy1. That means conjugate of complex. And Z2 equals to x2 plus iy2. This implies Z2 bar equals to x2 minus iy2. x2 minus iy2, conjugate of complex. Consider Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z1 bar into Z2 equals to 0. Here Z1 equals to x1 plus iy1 into Z2 bar. Z2 bar means x2 minus iy2 plus Z1 bar x1 minus iy1 into Z2 x2 plus iy2 equal to 0. Okay, simplify this one. X1 into x2, x1 minus I into x1 y2 plus I into y1 x2 plus into minus I square y1 y2 plus x1 x2 plus I into x1 y2 minus I of y1 x2 minus into plus minus I square y1 y2 equal to 0. Okay na? Okay, minus I x1 y2 plus I x1 y2 get cancelled, plus I y1 x2 minus I y1 x2 get cancelled. Okay, x1 x2 okay, I square means minus 1 minus or minus plus y1 y2 plus x1 x2, I square means minus 1 minus or minus plus y1 y2 equal to 0. x1 x2 2x1 x2 plus 2y1 y2 equals to 0. Okay, take the common. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. Okay, y1 y2 equals to minus of x1 x2. Okay, so simplify this one. y2 by y1 by x1 into y2 by x2 equals to minus 1 y1 by x1 into y2 by x2 equals to minus 1. Okay, slope of OP is into slope of OQ equals to -1. Then angle POQ equals to 90 degrees. Angle POQ equal to 90. Okay. Thank you. Okay. This chapter is completed. Complex numbers is completed. Okay. Here total weightage complex numbers 2 plus 2 plus 4. 2 questions very short answers. 1 question is short answer. Once again here first exercise, second exercise, one very short answer question, first exercise and second exercise, and third exercise C exercise is second question very short answer. First question is very short answer. Types of very short answers: multiple inverse of complex, square root of complex, okay, square root of complex, form of the a plus ib, is the first very short answer, first one. Second one is next modulus form or polar form, locus of z. These type questions are one question. Okay, very short answer. Okay, short answer questions are one question. One question is distance between the 2 point squares and triangle, rhombus. Our questions are most important problem. Okay, some more problems are homework problems are there. Okay, do the homework problems. Okay.